Patty, and look what just arrived, the Maker Box for embroidery. Can't wait to open it up and see what's inside. So look, it looks like there's a sheet in here that's going to give you all of the information about what's inside the box and what the project's going to look like. Those are so adorable. All right, I'm going to open it up and see what else is in the box. So first, thread. Who does not love thread? And look at those awesome colors. This is going to be great to add to my thread collection or anyone's thread collection for embroidery. Gonna dig a little deeper. Ooh, look at that. Some really cute embroidery designs from Amazing Designs. That is awesome. I thought we were only gonna be able to do 2 designs based on the towels, but look at that. And oh my gosh, there's even more on the back. So that is an awesome collection of really cute, like kind of home decor, kind of vintage looking embroidery patterns. Ooh, and up here, look, it says free project included with the collection. So I'm guessing, looking at that, that might be our instructions for this project. Super cool. Gonna dig a little deeper. Ooh, stabilizer. So no show mess stabilizer. This is gonna be great. And this is, again, something that I can have in my collection of stabilizer for future embroidery as well. Gonna see what else is in here. Cute little bag. Ooh, a Maker Box bag. That's cute. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, all kinds of goodies. Okay, let's see what I've got. Looks like I've got some little curved scissors. These are perfect for embroidery. So trim in threads. That's gonna be great to have handy. Let's see what else is in here. Ooh, comfort grip. These are awesome. Needles. So some universal and some embroidery needles. So these are gonna be great for not only my embroidery projects, but other projects that I might have to do. You can never have enough flash drives. And this is gonna be great because we're gonna have to take those designs and put it on a flash drive to bring it over to the machine. Embroidery reference cards. So this is kind of like a recipe card to go with our whole theme of our box so that you can write some information about your projects and keep it for future reference. So that's really cool as well. And then I love the bag to kind of keep it all organized. Some extra thread, so that looks like that might be to help us do some sewing on the project. Looks like there's a couple things still left in here. So my fabric, so it looks like I have some towel fabric, which this is really nice. It's already got the edges finished, so that's gonna make it really simple to finish our projects. And then also some other fabric that looks like that was the trim edge of the towel, so super cute. Oop, and then last but not least, wow, how to transfer an embroidery design to Flashdrive. What a super helpful handout if you're not comfortable with transferring your designs from a CD over to your flash drive. So wow, this box has everything in it. And one of the things I love is that they've made all the decisions for me, which is sometimes the hardest part with embroidery. So I know for sure what my next project's gonna be. And I'll make sure that I share my projects and you share yours as well.